Okay, so thank you for the 1.5k views because of this and YouTube. So we're gonna follow, subscribe this channel and like. I will show you a trick first, second, third, fourth. Do it again and again. That is our basic and system. One more. And next I will teach you 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again and again. Solve all of this. The Rubik's Cube. So let's put it here. All of my Rubik's Cube. So I'm a Filipino, but it's English. So